Welcome to the Superhero Lab. Experiments for kindergarten children. Let's make an experiment together. What happens when children run out of paper for coloring, cutting, or creating? What can we do when the scrap box is empty and all that's left are torn bits and used sheets? Can we turn that problem into an opportunity? Of course, by making our own recycled paper. With just water, leftover paper, and a bit of patience, we'll transform waste into a brand new sheet ready for art and play. Recycling paper saves trees, energy, and water, and can give old paper a second life by turning it into something completely new. For this experiment, you will need the following materials: old paper scrubs, a bucket with water, a hand blender, framed sieve, plastic container, cloths, space for drying. First, take the paper scraps and tear them into small pieces. Add them to a bucket with water and soak them. Be sure all pieces are covered with water. Use your hands to gently swirl the paper pieces. Leave it to soak for at least 8 hours. Then take a blender and blend all the pulp. The teacher can help children use a blender. When the pulp is mixed, take the sieve and plastic container. Hold the sieve steady above the container, and carefully start pouring the mixture over the sieve. The water will drain into the plastic container. With hands, gently press over the pulp, and evenly distribute it on the frame. Use towels or cloths. To soak up any extra water, you can use also a sponge. After a few minutes, when the paper gets drier, flip it on the fabric. Leave the paper on the fabric and let it dry for at least 24 hours. Peel it off the fabric. Your paper is now ready to use. Find more experiments on the Superhero Lab YouTube channel and enjoy in other science discoveries.